Panasonic unveils the PT-RQ45K Series, the world's smallest and lightest 42,000-lumen projector. Imagine a projector powerful enough to light up a stadium, a theme park facade, or a full-scale projection mapping show, and yet small and light enough to fit into the same rigging frames and flight cases you're already using. That's exactly what Panasonic just announced. Stick around, because by the end of this video you'll understand why this projector could quietly become the new standard for large venue visuals in 2026. Panasonic Projector and Display Corporation has revealed preliminary details of its new PT-RQ45K Series, a 3-chip DLP projector line set to launch in the second quarter of 2026. The series consists of two models, the flagship 4K PT-RQ45K and its Wuxka sibling, the PT-RZ44K, and Panasonic is positioning it as a new benchmark for high-brightness 4K projection. Let's break down exactly what makes it special, starting with the number that's turning heads in the industry. A major leap in portability. The headline achievement of the RQ45K series is its size, and this is the part rental companies and touring crews have been waiting for. According to Panasonic's own research into projectors rated at 36,000 lumens or higher as of January 2026, the RQ45K is the smallest and lightest projector in its brightness class, delivering 42,000 lumens of light output while matching the body size of the earlier RQ35K series. Think about that for a second. Panasonic managed to push out significantly more brightness without making the box any bigger. At roughly 598 by 352 by 780 millimeters and about 66 kilograms, it's remarkably compact for a projector of this power. And here's the practical payoff. Because it's physically compatible with existing rigging frames, flight cases, and optional lenses, venues, and rental houses that already run, Panasonic's earlier high-brightness models can upgrade without tearing out their entire logistics setup. No new cases to buy, no new truck space to plan for. For touring productions, museums, and large venue installations, where every kilogram and every centimeter affects transport costs and rigging time, that kind of continuity is a genuinely big deal. The new model also introduces a 5-inch color LCD monitor for on-unit status checks and pre-show video verification, an Intel SDM-compatible expansion slot for optional function boards, and a 12G SDI input on the PT-RQ45K for streamlined integration into professional video systems. Small additions, but the kind that make a technician's life easier on show day. Built for demanding environments. But portability means nothing if the projector can't survive real-world conditions, and this is where Panasonic seems to have paid very close attention. Beyond size, the company has focused heavily on reliability for projectors that operate in harsh or unpredictable environments, outdoor events, marine installations, or industrial sites exposed to corrosive air. Key circuit boards in the RQ45K series receive a protective coating specifically designed to resist corrosion from fumes and salt exposure, while a redesigned modular board layout is meant to make maintenance faster and simpler for technicians working in the field, sometimes under serious time pressure before a show. To keep color output consistent even as temperatures swing, Panasonic has built in what it calls dynamic digital control, paired with a dedicated cooling system for the projector's red laser diodes. But the feature that really stands out, the one that could save an entire live event, is the combination of a multi-laser drive engine and a backup input function. Both are designed to prevent a show-stopping failure. If part of the light engine falters, or an input source drops out, the system is built to keep the picture running instead of going dark in front of a live audience. If you've ever seen a screen go black in the middle of a concert or a corporate keynote, you know exactly why this matters. Image quality for projection mapping. Now here's where it gets really interesting for anyone into projection mapping or large format visuals, because this is likely the part of the spec sheet that will get the most attention from that community. The PT-RQ45K uses 3-chip DLP architecture combined with Panasonic's quad-pixel drive technology and a multi-laser light source, 2 blue laser diodes and 1 red, to produce native 4K resolution output at 3,840 by 2,400 pixels. with rich, accurate color reproduction that holds up even at massive scale. Notably, the projector supports frame rates of up to 240 Hz at 108 OP, enabling noticeably smoother motion reproduction for high-speed content. That also makes it compatible with Panasonic's optional real-time tracking projection mapping system, a tool that lets visuals track and project accurately onto objects that are actually moving, which opens the door to some genuinely creative live shows and installations. On top of that, a built-in gradation smoother works in real time to eliminate visible color banding, while enhanced black level correction is designed to create seamless blends across multiple projectors, whether the target surface is flat or curved. If you've ever watched a dome show or an architectural mapping display and noticed a harsh seam where two projectors overlap, this feature exists specifically to make that seam disappear. Specifications at a glance. The PT-RQ45K Series offers a contrast ratio of 25,000 to 1, a projection size range from 1.78 to 25.4 meters, diagonal 70 to 1,000 inches depending on the lens used, and an extensive keystone and lens shift range to accommodate demanding installation angles. Estimated time until light output declines to 50% ranges from 20,000 hours in normal mode up to 26,000 hours in quiet mode, giving operators a long runway before major maintenance is needed. Connectivity is comprehensive with dual HDMI input supporting 4 to 6OP and HDCP 2.3, SDI inputs, digital link support via an optional terminal board, and network control through PJ-Link Class 2, Crestron Connected, Crestron Jaw Cloud, and ArtNet DMX protocols, reflecting the kind of professional integration expected in stadiums, control rooms, and touring production environments. No lenses included as standard. The RQ45K Series is designed to work with Panasonic's existing lineup of fixed focus, zoom, and fisheye lenses, including a newly announced ETD 3LES250 zoom lens arriving in the same quarter, giving installers flexibility in throw distance and application. Availability. So, when can you actually get your hands on one? Panasonic has not yet released full pricing, but the PT-RQ45K Series is slated to go on sale in the second quarter of calendar year 2026. With availability of the WUX-GA resolution PT-RZ44K variant varying by country and region. It's worth noting that full specifications remain tentative as of February 2026 and are subject to change ahead of launch, so anyone planning a purchase or an installation around this projector should keep an eye on Panasonic's official channels for the final confirmed numbers. Final thoughts. Put it all together, and the PT-RQ45K Series looks less like an incremental upgrade and more like Panasonic rethinking what a high-brightness projector should be able to do in 2026, smaller and lighter than anything else in its lumen class, engineered to survive harsh environments without missing a beat, and packed with image processing features built specifically for the projection mapping world. Whether you work in touring production, museum exhibits, stadium visuals, or large-scale live events, this is a launch worth watching closely over the next few months. If you found this breakdown useful, let us know in the comments what you'd want to see this projector used for, and stick around for more coverage as Panasonic releases full pricing and availability details.